An officer with the Fort Myers Police Department has been arrested, accused of failing to report signs of child neglect to the Department of Children and Families. Officer Tyler Williams was taken into custody early this morning following an investigation. 4 in Your Corner's Sandra Rodriguez joins us from the Fort Myers Police Department with the latest. Sandra?
Well, FMPD did not release many details of the child involved in this case, calling this a fresh and very active investigation. What we do know is that it stems from a traffic stop conducted by Officer Williams.
Our investigation determined Officer Tyler Williams failed in his duty to protect a young child.
The incident leading to Officer Tyler Williams' arrest happened on January 18th. That's when Chief Diggs says Williams pulled a car over for speeding at the intersection of Colonial and Solomon Boulevards.
And there were circumstances indicating that a child's safety and welfare may be in jeopardy.
But Chief Diggs says Williams failed to report it to the Department of Children and Families. FMPD launching an investigation following an inquiry into the circumstances of the traffic stop. The criminal investigation then handed to the state attorney's office.
They issued an arrest warrant resulting in criminal charges against Officer Williams for knowingly and willfully failing to report known or suspected child abuse, abandonment, or neglect as a mandatory reporter.
A third-degree felony.
There literally has to be some accountability, and there has to be some transparency. And so this is an attempt to do all of those things, I really believe.
Forensic Professor David Thomas with Florida Gulf Coast University says the handling of this case could be an indication of its severity.
Just can't imagine just because he failed he failed to mandatorily report. I can see you getting time off. So there has to be something that has gone on with that has just made it bad.
Williams is out of the Lee County Jail on a $10,000 bond. He had been on paid administrative leave since February 20th, but as of today, it is no longer paid. Chief Diggs says Williams could also face internal charges for violating department policy. His next court appearance is set to be on July 13th. In Fort Myers, Sandra Rodriguez, Fox 4 in Your Corner.
Thank you, Sandra.